Hello. I would like to discuss an interesting topic, that of how dinosaurs could eat plants. Now, dinosaurs were the main herbivores on land for over 100 million years. But there were different groups of herbivorous dinosaurs, and there were different ways that they could eat plants. For one, I am a sauropod, one of the saurischian dinosaurs.
And I am a hadrosaur. I am one of the ornithischian dinosaurs.
Right. You might not think that I'm that good of a herbivore, because if you look in my mouth, I don't have teeth for chewing plant material. They're just not there. The only teeth that I have are the teeth in the front of the mouth, and they tend to be more peg-like. They're certainly not for chewing plant material. But I have a couple of advantages which help me eat plants. One, if I crop the plant material, I can swallow it into my gut. And my gut is huge, and the plant material can sit there and ferment for a while. So it really doesn't matter all that much that I didn't mash it up in my mouth. It will have plenty of time to sit as it passes through my enormous digestive tract. Plus, I can swallow stones known as gastroliths, and these can help grind the plant material once they're in my gut. A couple of other advantages I have. One is, given my long neck, I can be more selective with the plant material that I eat, perhaps going for the tender leaves that grow at the tops of trees, for example. I can also eat a lot of aquatic vegetation. Now, my nostrils have been positioned higher up on my head instead of at the tip of my snout. This has a couple of advantages. One, it lets me eat and stick my head into the plant material all day long, and I can still breathe. Obviously, I have to eat a lot to support my large body. But secondly, it also allows me to stick my head in the water so that I can grab aquatic vegetation, and once again my nostrils are not submerged. And so, while I lack chewing teeth, there are a number of adaptations I have for eating plants.
I am a hadrosaur. I am one of the ornithischian dinosaurs. And I eat plants in a very different way. First of all, I do not have any teeth in the front of my jaws. Instead, I have a horny beak which crops the plant material that I intend on eating. I have cheeks which will hold this material in my mouth for a while, because I intend on chewing it. Not many vertebrates chew their food, but we hadrosaurs certainly do. I have lots of teeth lined up in a row, 30, maybe 50, depending on which hadrosaur species you're referring to. And there are multiple rows of teeth, all fused together. So if you have 30 to 50 teeth in a row, and then 3 to 5 rows all cemented together, what you have is a huge dental battery, a platform for grinding food. So this allows me to eat woodier material and rougher plant material than many other dinosaurs can. And this is one of the reasons that the hadrosaurs were so successful in the late Cretaceous period. They can chew their food and process plant material very efficiently.